Hello, this is Elite, and this is my video on YouTube. Trying to make sure that I help you on a few little things on Windows 7 computer. And first, I'm gonna show you how to download fairly quicker and faster on Bittorrent. And it is 7.8 version, so make sure that you update to the latest version, and also try to get the best out of BitTorrent because a lot of people are trying to download. So before we do anything, let's just go to BitTorrent uh, website. Uh, if you already have it, you don't have to go there. But just in case you don't know, uh, just type BitTorrent torrent. And I'm assuming since you're watching this movie, you already have BitTorrent, so I'm not going through a lot of things here. You just have to hit the download, and then click on the next, and then just that's just it. And then the important thing is you go to the right website that has the kind of files that might have. So try websites, but just remember, websites don't last very long. They tend to uh, you know disappear maybe 5 months later, 6 months later. But what I want to tell you is that the Pirates Bay, just see this part, the Pirates Bay never disappears. It's been there for many years now. So, but my point is, I'm trying to show you how to download really quickly on a game that is um, 5.313 gigabyte, and it is uploaded by Extreme Zone. So, depending on the uploader, the download speed and the reliability are different. So if you're trying to download something, just make sure you read the um the comment first. So a lot of people are talking about how the torrent really is, and if it's working or not working, if it contains virus, trojans, anything like that. uh you just have to make sure you read the messages, and make sure before you do anything about downloading, you make sure you have the latest version of any kind of antivirus on your system. So for example, I have here AVG 2013, which is really good, and it has helped me remove all these trojans, malware, spyware, and all that. So it even sometimes helped me block a few keygens that I download myself. Okay, so let's go to download what is it called? Um just Sniper Elite version 2, and the article is from Skid Row website, but it is uploaded by Extreme Zone. So well, um it is pretty good. I've already played this game. It is a shooting game, by the way, and it has a really good what is it visuals as well. So every time it chooses is, if you hit the right spot, then it just zooms in along with the bullet. So it is really impressive. I played 2 times, I think, and then it is fantastic, this game. Just in case you love shooting games like me. All right, so here I was talking about comments. Here we have comments there, and here and there and there, and then you can just um, you know, read all this through and then decide yourself if you really think that the content is safe for your computer and worth the download, because it always takes a lot of time to download, um, and make sure that you download um, a content that has a lot more seeders than leechers, because seeders means people who who has already downloaded and are now seeding. Seeding means that they're sharing the same what is it the same content that you're trying to download. So torrent works in a different way, like sharing. So for example, if you're trying to download something from the net, without the torrent, you just download and then you get what you download. But actually, when you download something on either uTorrent or BitTorrent, if it's a torrent file and you try to download, it just shares some of your content that you have already downloaded to other people as well. So if you're trying to download really quickly, then you want something that has a lot seeder than leechers. For example, here seeders are 1192 people, and leechers means downloaders is just 289, and there's 780 comments. So make sure that you read at the very last lines or at the very last page of the comments. It helps to get the right content. All right, so click on this link, and because I'm using this Internet Explorer version 10, I think it is asking me to either allow or cancel it, and then just say allow, and a website wants to open. Yes, this is BitTorrent, something that we know. And if you don't want this to pop up again, click on this don't show me the warning for this program again, and click allow. So Sniper Lite version 2 from Skid Row is now downloading. Now, as you can see, it is starting up, and look at this. It's really quick, 2.4 KB per second. So upload speed is 1.5, but this is my setting. I have this uh 100 Mbps, and you know it's just way too quick, and it helps me to download quick too. But if you have slow connections, or maybe your Wi-Fi is not as good as the grade A ones, then you want to go for this option. All right, let's go to options. First, options, go to preferences, so control P as well, preferences. All right, here this does the magic. Okay, so this is just a basic settings display option. So whatever you do here changes anything on this main page, on this page. So confirm when deleting torrent. So if you're trying to delete a torrent, then just it will pop up a message, and then are you sure you want to delete the torrent and things like that. So I'm assuming since you know how to download torrent, you already know that you know all these basic things. But just in case if you don't know, I'm just telling. Okay, let's go to the connection. Uh, uh, let's go to connection. Um, well, okay. There are a lot of way based on the country as well. So if you're in somewhere Europe, if you're in somewhere in Asia, maybe South Africa, America, Australia, you know this value can change. But the thing is, don't you ever click random port, because that's gonna change, and then that's going to do some sort of trick that you won't even know. So it's not good. um, and then bandwidth, yes, bandwidth is, make sure when you download it, just check the bandwidth is the really important thing, because a lot of people don't have this bandwidth on their um, you know uh, on their internet connection. So some has 120 gigabyte per month, and some has 500 gigabyte per month, and things like that. So depending on your connection, you have to be really careful. So here it says that maximum 0 is equal to unlimited. So if you have 500 gigabyte per month, then you don't have to worry about this. You just have to skip. But just in case, if you don't have that a lot of internet, then you want to change it to uh, you know um, 10, but but no contents has ever had um, more than 20 gigabyte. So you just put them 0 and then apply. This is just nothing. This is automatically applied here, so you don't have to worry. But here, number of connections. So try to put this whole video is about this little setting. So if you have, look at this download speed, right? Download speed is fantastic. This is amazing, right? 80, 83, 76, 61, yeah, and 2.6. You know, it is really good, and you know, the size the size is 5.12 gigabyte, and it will finish in a day. It will finish in a day. So just think about this. It's really good, and all right, so you put them to 500, 500, 500, but not necessarily 500, 500, 500. You can just do approximately 500. So if you're happy just about maybe 480, 490, that's okay too. But don't go below than 480, because things are really different. Uh, depending on the landscape or the area too. So just have this about 500s, and that's about it. The other ones, oh yeah, a BitTorrent protocol inscription is when you have this BitTorrent downloaded and installed, you have this setting not on force. It is I can't remember it. I think it's disabled or enabled, but you have to change it to forced. So it forces the torrent to keep downloading in the maximum way. So this is really important. If you look around the websites trying to get this information, you will spend hours and hours trying to get it. But you know, I've done the hard work for you. I've finished this researching about BitTorrent. I'm just one of you, one like you, who heavily depend on the BitTorrents trying to get the best out of internet. Yeah, just use this force, and then the other ones you don't necessarily have to change. But don't you ever click this, because if you click it, then it will force you to um, put in username and password, really silly thing. And here, queuing means, okay, all right, so let's say if you this setting is different when you install it, but again, I've done this just to show you. Maximum active number of torrent to seed is 8, 7. Just put anywhere, and then maximum ratio is really different to important too. Make sure it's 150, but by the time you watch this video, you know we might have torrent of maybe 9.9 version, 10 version, I don't know. If you're watching this video in 2020, then we will have a torrent of maybe 20, something like that. So just to make sure that you have this 150. Again, if the torrents version have changed, then it could be a different storage. So always trying to look out the best thing. Things are always different. So again, all right. So this is it, and yeah, I'm fairly happy with the look at this the ratio estimate time. Is 15 hours 20 minutes now. So again, it's uh, always different, but on average I'm having about uh 100, maybe 85, no, sorry, 95, about 95 on average. So you know um just remember the setting. If you forgot it, just rewind, you know pause the video, go back and do whatever you need to do and enjoy the movie. But again, subscribe, you know uh here, like it, and and hands thumbs up, and okay, thanks for your time, and all right, I am out, and look out for the next video. Thank you, bye bye. Ha hoo, ha hoo.
If you didn't say thumbs up,